Today we are going to talk about the top 10 benefits of RapidMask as we sand carve this mug. RapidMask is the only sand carving film on the market that requires absolutely no washout. It comes in two different options, high detail and high tack, so you can tailor your experience to your specific needs and project requirements. As mentioned earlier, RapidMask eliminates the need for wet washout processes, making it a game changer in terms of convenience and efficiency. Say goodbye to the hassles of traditional washout methods and welcome a dry processing solution into your workflow. By eliminating washout steps and simplifying the sand carving process, RapidMask empowers you to allocate more time to your creative pursuits, saving both time and resources. This efficiency translates to increased productivity, since you are spending less time on preparation and more time on actual sand carving, leading to a higher output. And the hassle-free workflow reduces the complexities sometimes associated with traditional photoresist films. Enjoy a smoother production cycle without compromising on quality. Another benefit of RapidMask is its fine detail halftone making ability. Craft intricate designs with confidence using RapidMask. Its high detail halftone making ability allows for the reproduction of even the smallest details, making it an ideal choice for projects that demand precision. Like many of our washout films, RapidMask is self-adhesive. This ensures easy application to a variety of surfaces, providing a secure bond for precise detailing on materials such as glass, metal, ceramic, and more. This feature simplifies the setup process and enhances the overall user experience. RapidMask was designed to withstand powerful sandblasting, ensuring that your designs remain intact even under the most rigorous conditions. Enjoy the peace of mind that comes with a photoresist film capable of withstanding the forces of abrasive blasting. And experience a new level of ease in your sand carving endeavors. RapidMask's user-friendly design and features contribute to a seamless and enjoyable sand carving process, allowing you to focus on your creative expression. And when your sand carving masterpiece is complete, RapidMask ensures easy removal, leaving you with a clean and polished finished product. Hit the subscribe button below for more sand carving tips, and if you have any questions about our dry process or wet process photoresist films, let us know in the comments.